Welcome to Learning with a Difference, speech for students to speak in the school morning assembly after summer vacation. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. True. To reach to our destination, simply we have to start first. And again, we all gathered here to restart our journey of education, to understand various aspects of our life, to step ahead towards our goal. A very warm and cheerful morning to respected principal sir, respected teachers and my fellow students. It's a school time again and it is indeed a great thrill to see us all together in the school assembly after a very long. This is Meenakshi Chaudhary from class 9th. Today is the first day of school and chance to find our ways to learn new things, to interact with our teachers, to meet with our friends. My dear friends, we know well that if we want to lead a good social life, it is the best to attend school. School is the basic foundation of knowledge being imparted in us. Here we get chance to acquire knowledge on various fields of education like history, literature, politics. And our teachers do much more than plan fun educational activities. Someone truly said that the task of the modern educator is not to cut down jungles, but to irrigate deserts, getting us skilled at multi-activities, developing hobbies and refining them, learning basic etiquettes, and there are so many things that our school equips us with. And it's on us that how we utilize these basic skills, how we apply them in our behavior. Vacation's over and it's time to enter our classes, to open awaiting books. Be creative, be adventurous, be original, and do not forget to make a list of even smallest ideas that make us to the path of success. Doesn't matter where we are coming from, but where we are going does. Hence, look forward and not backwards. And here I end all the very best. Thank you to all of you.